What's up, guys? So we're gonna do a before and after sound clip right now of the stock Mustang GT versus a Mustang GT with a resonator delete. So right now we're just doing some sound clips, and then we're gonna throw on the H pipe and do some pulls as well. Do too much because we're kind of just a neighborhood little area right now, but hopefully after we get everything on, we can go for some longer drives. As of right now, we're just doing a little stock run. So we're getting the car up a little bit. We'll be under there in no time. You can kind of see under. There's the cat back and the resonator back there. So that's what we're going to be working on.
You can hear the rust coming off though.
Yeah, this is our resonator. This is what we're taking out. It's a little rusted, so we're hoping we don't run into any issues. So we're gonna spray some WD-40 on it right now, try to get some of the rust off.
Okay.
Looking better?
Yep.
Good. All right, so after 50 years, we finally got it all off. So now we just need to pull it out and cut the pipe. So we're gonna see how it sounds open header first. Okay, so we finally got all the piping out. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark the pipe where we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna cut it. And when Michael gets back, we're gonna start it up open header to see how it sounds.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Here we go. That's pretty good. We are having some major issues with fitment. We got the pipes cut. Trying to get the H pipe onto the like muffler pipes. But we're gonna have some issues probably refitting it because we're gonna need to use these clamps again. These are the ones that gave us so much trouble the first time. We got the headers here, but everything else, like we haven't put anything back on yet. We're trying to put everything back together. So that's where we're at. This turned out to be a way bigger project than we thought. So we were having issues with this H pipe fitting into the pipes properly. Apparently these weren't stretched out enough. So like it was literally the same size as the pipe, so we couldn't get the pipes in. We've just been hammering it down for the last like 30 minutes. The top end is getting a little messed up, but we're gonna try to file that down or knock it back into place. There was a little hole here where the pipe didn't go up all the way. So we're kind of right at this line here almost, but you know, it's closed. If you look close, oh shoot, whoa. If you look close, my phone will focus. You know, it's closed for now. So hopefully that works. But we're fighting with the sunset here, you know, it's a little running out of daylight. So what I'm thinking is that maybe when we put the clamp on, if the clamp will go on, we have to loosen this clamp. But anyway, what I'm thinking is when we put the clamp on, we just put it right over this line here. And then hopefully any air leak that is there, the clamp will kind of close up. So that's the plan. This one's not tight yet, it's just kind of sitting in place. But this is closed, not having any issues. So yeah, that's where we're at. And we still got to put everything on. So hopefully we can get this done before we run out of light. All right. So we got the H-pipe on. We were struggling like crazy. Hello. So now we're trying to get the mufflers up on the hangers. It is almost 9 o'clock. We've been here since 11, and we're really done with this project. These rusted pipes just gave us a run for our money.
Like 2 hours.
Same.
Good. You still need. It's like a square. It's like a full square.
Oh. How much further?
It's like a.
Open it, like make it wider.
You could try.
With the.
You need to move the. You need to move it to the side or something. The exhaust.
Okay, so drop it down.
Drop it down. Alright, now drop it.
Okay. And now we can wiggle it. Just go this side all the way so we can. Oh. Okay, now let's go this way so we can make the.
You're pretty loose now. Okay. So you should be able to push it in. If you can push it now that you have it so loose, try to push it in there. Go ahead. No, you're gonna have to like twist it in there. Kind of got to do a twisty. You got to do a twisty twist.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, it's not
going?
No.
Lift.
Push.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, so keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. Yep. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Legs?
A little bit more. Yeah. Perfect right there. Okay, I'm just watching this gap here.
Okay,
go ahead, do the thing. All right, there's a little tiny gap, so if you can twist it, just kind of do the twisty that you were doing again. Try to get it back in here. A little bit more. A little bit more.
I got my foot ready.
Okay.
I got the pressure, you do the twist.
All right. Yes, that should be good.
It's good?
Yeah, so just make sure that's straight then over there. I'm going to watch this gap to make sure it doesn't come out.
Yeah, but I have to unscrew the hangers first.
Okay, well keep doing your thing. I'm going to try to make sure this stays in there. I'm gonna start tightening this down just so this doesn't go anywhere.
Okay, how down is it now, Alex? Try with fingers again.
Okay. That one's 2 fingers, and then this one is.
It's slightly too.
It's almost 2.
Okay, let's try this. Oh.
What?
No, I dropped it way down now.
No.
It's in the hole.
Here,
Okay.
I'll jack it up.
We'll get it out.
I'm gonna jack it up.
Why it's moving so much?
Oh no, it's not in there now. Yeah, you can't see the hole.
Oh, because it went. Okay. It's moving here.
You're rotating a little bit.
Almost. So it's down already.
Yeah, here, let me do the jack.
There, it's good.
Pop it in place.
Okay, I have
It's
it.
good now. Perfect.
Alex, try now.
Alright. Let me see. It's almost 2. Actually, no,
No,
that's
it's
perfect.
good. No, it's good. It's good.
Is it good?
Remember, it
Okay.
stopped at my knuckles. So
Okay.
you bring it.
Watch I'm like driving down the highway and my whole fucking exhaust like falls out. On my way home.
Don't even call us, though. Just go call.
Just keep going.
That's the carving. It's just.
Hey, we finally got the H-pipe on and everything back together. So we're gonna do a start. Yeah. I'd say that's louder.
Oh yeah.
That's stock. It's pretty good. What's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed the install. It's the next day. Yesterday I was unable to film an outro because it was so late. We finished around 11:30. crazy long day. The install overall was, I'd say, pretty bad. I'll be honest, it was not good. None of us that I was working with yesterday knew how to do this. We've never done it before, so we were kind of just going off of, you know, videos we've seen. The install itself wasn't that bad. How to do it wasn't that bad. What really got us was the rust on the pipes and the clamps. Really, really bad. I don't know why they got that bad or if that's just normal for them, but we could not get them with normal hand tools. We went to the store, grabbed some other ones, and still we were having some issues. One of them we couldn't even get off, and then once we got the bolts off, the clamps wouldn't even open because they were so rusted. Long story short, really hard time with fitment and piping and all that. Really, really bad. But we do have some more sound clips for you, so I hope you guys enjoy those. It was me and my buddy. You know, he's got a my old Mustang V6 with you know, Roush axle backs and BBK shorty headers, so his car sounds good too. I'm just running pretty much stock exhaust with just the H-pipe now, but you know, it still sounds really good, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe if you like the video and want to see more, and we'll see you next time. So thanks.
Give it some. Oh yeah.
Where's the McDonald's?
Oh, it's up here on the left. Up here on the left. I mean, personally, I would do it really quick.
No. I do that. Yeah.
Nice. Woohoo! Damn.
How did it sound?
Oh, it sounded good.
Yeah.